This is food court at WTissimo. Welcome to my vlog. See ya. Smell ano? Fish. Smell fried fish. Smell fried fish. I'm here again food court. WTissimo. Anyway, I need to go back home because I need to cook dinner. I just dropped the kids in school today because she want me to be the one who drop her in her karate school today. So only a wallpaper. Yeah. Anyway guys, if you like my video, don't forget to like, leave a comment, suggestion, don't forget to share, subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye. Happy Friday everyone. It's weekend again. Enjoy your weekend. The machine is not working again. See, I'm here in Lulu again. I just passed by here because very hot outside. You wanna see them? I'll show you them. I'll show you them. A small shop. They're selling souvenir. Oh guys, this is Hotel Mall, the painting on the wall. The painting on the wall. Anyway, if you like my video, don't forget to click like, leave a comment or suggestion, and of course, don't forget to share, subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye. Gentlemen. This is what I like to take a photo. This is only a wallpaper. Bye.